Welcome to part 5 of our VisRad Introductory series, where we're going to be going over how to add stalks to your target system. Stalks are an important addition because they are essentially what's holding your target system in place. Without stalks connecting your target to a mounting port, your target would just be floating around in the chamber. Many facilities will require target models to have stalks included so that facility operators can plan how to position and manipulate your target system. In our last video, we finished constructing our target system, and now it's time to add our stalk. Before we do that, it's usually a good idea to double check your reference coordinate system tree to make sure all of your target components are included and referencing back to the target component that you're going to attach the stalk to. For us, that's the whole realm, and we can see everything references back to the whole realm. Now, you can reorder these if you want. If you do that, you just have to open the object parameters menu for your desired target component and make sure this checkbox is marked. That way, if you change the reference, your target component will still stay in its proper position and orientation. If you need a review on that, go back and watch the end of video 2. And now, how do we add our stalk? Well, there's a couple different ways we could do this. We could just duplicate a wire, designate that duplication as a stalk, and then position it and orientate it towards facing our desired mounting port. But there's really a faster way to do that in VisRad. VisRad has the ability to select individual surface elements with this little tool over here, the Picked Surface Node Positions tool. With this, we can select a surface element. In particular, we'll select the surface element we want our stalk attached to. For us, we'll want something below our material sample near the base of our hole realm, like this element right here. After you select the surface element, a little dialog will pop up with some surface element properties, but most importantly, it'll give you this button, the Add a Stalk at Selected Node button. When you select it, another dialog will pop up, and this is the little stalk creator. Here you can name your stalk, set its color, choose its radius and length, but most importantly, you decide which mounting port the stalk will point towards. For us, we'll choose TIM1. You'll want to make sure this checkbox is checked usually. This is what attaches the stalk to the hole realm. And when you hit OK, you get a little warning message. The reference coordinate system for the following target components has been changed to TIM1, and it lists the whole realm, which is exactly what we want. If you go back to the reference coordinate system tree, we now see the whole realm is referencing TIM1, and there's a stalk connected to it. We can also see our stalk added to our target viewer. And with that, we're at the end of our VisRad Introductory series. In future videos, we'll go over some VisRad tools and also show you some more advanced properties you can set in VisRad. So if you're interested, keep an eye out for those videos to come out in the future. I hope to see you there.